Welcome back. So this is my honest review to my bestest newest business, which is the House of Baka, the adobohan ni JR Kinyahan. So actually dito amiga dinner and then nag-take out ko here sa balay. So, busog na kaayo ko sa sopaka and very paka gyud ang chicharon bulaklak nila. So, this is the dinuguan. The dinuguan is superb. This is actually my favorite, one of my favorite. Pero dili ko mukaon gyud ang dinuguan pag dili jud nako totally kaila ang magluto. It's because na uban hugaw. So, recommendable gyud ang ilahat dinuguan, promise. And of course, ilaha siomai. The siomai is, oh my god, this is actually a homemade. So this is not a tisa siomai. So ilaha gyud ni. Amazing. So next is naposilay gitawag nga torta. This is a pork torta. Amo ana po niyo siya gikaon as dinner, then amazing po siya, promise. And then naay chicharon bulaklak. So, bawal ko anits because high blood ko, pero nikaon jud ko dito sa ilaha tindahan, which is very paka jud. I'll try. See? Until no paka gyapon siya bisag pila na ka oras. No chicharon. Next is barbecue is amazing. Doon ako mukhang kay busog kaayo ko as in. So, more to ang ako honest review. I'm not a food blogger, but I decided na ako hatagan ng rate. So, 1 to 10, in general 1 to 10, let's say 9. Thank you. Thank you sa barbecue adobohan ni Kinyahan, House of Baka. Ciao!